Welcome to That's Greek to Me. Our word for today is martyria. Dear friends, Erenehumin, peace be with you. This is Father Joel Camaya, Salesian of Don Bosco, and welcome to That's Greek to Me. Our word for today is martyria. In English, martyria means witness or testimony. It's not just about telling what we have seen. It is about giving public testimony. Kaya nga, yung pagsasaksi. Often at great cost. Even the cost of life. Kaya meron tayong mga martyr. That's why from martyria, we get the words martyr and martyrdom. Inagamit pa natin yun, di ba? Ay, masyado ka naman nagpapakamartir. Galing ito sa martyria. In Acts chapter 1 verse 8, Jesus says, "You will be my witnesses in Jerusalem, throughout Judea and Samaria, and to the ends of the earth." Ano yung witnesses na yon? Kaya yung salitang yon, no, connected sa martyrdom. No? To witness is to be a martyr. And this reminds us that Christian witness, it's not private. It is meant to shine forth, to reach others even to the farthest places. And in Revelation chapter 12, verse 11, we read of those who conquered by the blood of the Lamb and by the word of their testimony, for they did not love their lives so much as to shrink from death. What do we see here? That authentic witness can demand sacrifice, even our very lives. Para sa atin, malalim yung ibig sabihin nito. To give witness, to give martyria, is to live in such a way that others can encounter Jesus Christ through us, through our words, our choices, our courage. It calls us to respond with conviction and action. Tanungin natin sarili natin, handa ba tayong maging martir? Handa ba tayong sumaksi? Are we willing to bear witness not only by speaking of Christ, but by living Him boldly, in honesty, service, forgiveness, and even in moments of trial? Witnessing is not just speaking, but living Christ boldly. And that's our word for today. May these words accompany us as we grow in faith. Meron ba mga salita sa Biblia na mas gusto nyo maintindihan at malaman kung ano yung ibig sabihin nun? Pwede kayong mag-comment, magtanong kayo at sasagutin natin yan. And of course, I invite you to like, to share, and to subscribe.